I love fog.
I've been a miner for a heart of gold, and I'm getting old.
Testa River Campground, Regional Park. Go check it out. Gravel's slippery to ride on, but it's kind of fun. So this is a map. I have no idea where we are. That means nothing to me. Let's go get a camp spot. Alright, this looks like an awesome spot. Park the bike and pitch the tent.
There we go. I feel like I'm running all the time. Mainly I am trying to run from the dark and the rain and the bugs. And now, grizzlies. Scene 1. Hopefully I don't see any more. It's night number 7 now. It just started raining once I got in my tent. It takes a lot more focus riding in the mountains because you're going around corners, always braking, always on guard for gravel, for any animals around corners or people that have stopped on the side of roads. So it is a little bit more mentally strenuous, and I am a lot more tired today, or it could just be because it's the 7th day. Well, I'm off to sleep. Good night. This river is very fast flowing. Just rained last night. Very turbid, very like murky looking. So the fish might not be biting. They might not be able to see the lures. Or I just might be bad at fishing. We're close to the Yukon border. We're probably about 4, maybe 5 hours from the Yukon border. And that's the last province on this journey. The Arctic Circle is in the Yukon.